On Thursday morning, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau congratulated Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his recent electoral victory. Trudeau's message, posted on X, emphasized Canada's readiness to work with the Modi government to strengthen the relationship between the two nations. Trudeau stated, Canada stands ready to work with its government to advance the relationship between our nation's people, anchored to human rights, diversity, and the rule of law. However, this message comes during significant diplomatic tensions between Canada and India. The strained relations are largely due to Canada's allegations regarding the murder of Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar last year. Trudeau has been vocal about his belief that Indian agents were involved in Nijjar's assassination, an accusation that New Delhi has vehemently denied as absurd and baseless. This controversy adds another layer to the already complex dynamics between the two countries. Just days before Trudeau's congratulatory message, a high-level Canadian parliamentary panel report surfaced, identifying India as the second biggest foreign threat to Canada's democracy following China. The report, submitted to the Prime Minister's office in May and tabled in Parliament this week, stated that China is the most prolific actor in terms of foreign interference in Canadian democracy. However, it also highlighted that India has emerged as the second most significant foreign interference threat to Canada's democratic institutions and processes, surpassing Russia. Despite these allegations, Trudeau reiterated his government's commitment to addressing foreign interference, saying they take the matter very seriously. Turning our focus to India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP emerged as the single largest party in India's general elections, which concluded on June 4th. The BJP won 240 seats in the Lok Sabha, a significant drop from the 303 seats it secured in 2019. This shortfall of 32 seats below a simple majority means that the BJP will have to rely on its National Democratic Alliance and partners to form the government. Narendra Modi is expected to take the oath of office on June 8th, Saturday. As the diplomatic row between Canada and India continues, the world watches closely how these two nations navigate their complex relationships.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.